Ladies and gentlemen, okay, look, I have a very wild one for you here. This is a police officer arresting a guy for saying some mean comments online. Not joking. Not joking. It was reported online that someone said a mean comment and, it might have offended them. So this man was arrested by the police in the UK. Now, there are angry mobs going around the country right now in UK attacking people by race, okay? I'm not going to say who's attacking who, because old YouTube hates that, but we know who's attacking who. We know the two-tier system going on. But police are out there arresting people for saying mean comments online. In Britain, you can and will be arrested for misusing social media by leaving comments about migrants that some Karens find offensive. They won't arrest you if you're part of a grooming gang. Good to know that their priorities are two-tiered policing. And that's the same thing here in Australia.
Okay, so,
What do you mean I can't have any alcohol?
okay, well, I'll tell you. Okay, the time's 20 to 3, 14:40. I'm arresting you on suspicion of improper use of the Electronic Communications Network. I'm just
What?
127 of the Communications Act, okay? So you do not have to say anything that may harm your defence if you do not mention one question, something which you later are in court. Anything you do say may be given evidence. Do you understand that?
So I'm actually being
You're
arrested?
going to be arrested, okay?
Right,
Take you
and-
back to the police station.
Right.
Ask you, okay, this is in relation to some comments that you've made on a Facebook page. Okay?
Oh, really? Oh, it's a Facebook crime, is it?
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Where are we, eh? Where are we? I mean, like I said to you in previous videos, is that America's the only one actually protected by the Constitution for freedom of speech. Pretty much every other country has now taken up this same stance as they have in Britain. Australia's the same, where if you say something mean online, someone, reports this, then you could be jailed. Yeah, you could be jailed for saying some mean comments online.
Network. I'm just
What?
127 of the Communications Act. Okay.
So here is that legislation that she mentioned, okay? 127 of the Communications Act. As you can see here, a person is guilty of an offense if he, just a he, there's no he or she, there's no, but pretty weird to me, isn't it? Pretty weird. It almost seems like it's only one sex that can be attacked here. So A, sends by means of public electronic communications network a message or other matter that is grossly offensive or of an incident, obscene or menacing character. B, causes any such message or matter to be sent. A person is guilty of an offense if for the purpose of causing annoyance, you can be found freaking guilty. Do people actually read this absolute crap? Wow. Causing annoyance, inconvenience, or needless anxiety to others. Needless anxiety. Yet again, he, so there's no he or she, sends by means of public electronic communications network a message that he knows to be false. He, yet again, causes such a message to be sent or persistently makes use of public electronic communications network. A person guilty of an offense under this section shall be liable on summary conviction to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 6 months or to be a fine not exceeding level 5 of the standard scale. So you can go to jail for up to 6 months. Subsections 1 and 2 do not apply to anything done in the course of providing a program service within the meaning of Broadcasting Act 1990. Wow. 5. An information or complaint relating to an offence under the section may be tried by a magistrate court in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, but allayed or made. A. Before the end of a period of 3 years beginning to the day, so you can claim 3 years back, before the end of a period of 6 months beginning the day on which evidence comes to knowledge of the prosecutor, which the prosecutor considers sufficient to justify proceedings. Summary proceedings for an offence of the section may be commenced in Scotland. Number 7, a certificate of a prosecutor as to the date which the evidence described in subsection 5b or 6b came into her knowledge inclusive of whatever. So yeah, there you go. There's the act for you which was mentioned. Absolutely insane. Now, let's finish watching this video because this has now interested me very much because a lot of people wouldn't know about this law. And I'm glad we went through it on there. Now let's just finish this video.
We need to ask you some questions about that.
Right.
Have you got anything in your pockets, Thomas?
I've got my keys. No, that's about it, I think. Keys.
So, anyone who's been arrested, we can search them under Section 32 of the Police and Criminal Act.
Right.
And that's for dangerous items.
I mean, you said I was going to be arrested under some what information? I'm going to be arrested for posting on Facebook.
Some comments that are offensive, obscene, and people have made a complaint about that, and it's transferred.
And can you tell me what this comment was?
Okay, well we'll do that when we interview.
All right. And so, what am I going to be locked up for the night, or?
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not.
Right. Do I need to take my medications with me?
Yes, we will look at taking all of those.
When do you need to take them?
Well, I've got pain medications. I've got sleeping medication. I've got anxiety medications, which I might take one of those in a bit. Okay. You know.
Well, if we take everything with us, then you've got everything there, haven't you?
And then we've got a nurse up there. They'll be able to. They'll be able to come and see you, and then once you've been there, they can assess whether or not medication can be issued. All right. So what we're going to do is, if you want to pop yourself up, we're just going to search.
You need the glasses.
Yeah, search you.
To come with you.
My glasses.
Yeah. Do you want to take them with you?
Why?
First of all, I'm going to seize this. Okay.
This is ridiculous, right? That's pretty much the end of it anyway. As you can tell, he is such a danger to the community, right? That old guy, such a danger to the community. I mean, the police have to go out and arrest this guy. You know, he's a real danger. Just an absolute joke. This is where I guess the police are going, right? This is what they're doing. They're enforcing little online laws because you said a rude comment or a bad comment that might have hit their anxiety. That now is illegal. If you hurt their feelings, that is actually now illegal by law. So don't you dare say any comments online, because like I said, you'll be held accountable online for what you say by force. By force. That is baffling. And look, if you know friends, if you're in the UK, share this with your friends, because if they know about this law, don't know about this law, it's better that they do know, because they might be held accountable as well. You never know. So share this with them as soon as you can, I guess. It's quite freaky, quite scary that this is really going on. And more stories I do see of this where they are being held accountable for this. And it is just baffling. Very much baffling. But I'll end it on that. Share it with your friends. Comment as well. Let me know what you think about this law. And subscribe as well if you do want to support it. If you do want to fight against the mainstream media. If you do want, I guess, news which is being checked, I mean, by more than one source, then please subscribe as well and you'll be able to see it in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.